Hey beautiful people, it's Madam Sophy here to review the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Division palette. This is what the palette looks like. If you'd like to know how I came up with this fabulous look, please stay tuned to see how I applied the shadows, how I applied my foundation, and what techniques I used to get this final look. I'm definitely feeling this look and I'm hoping that you're feeling it too. So stay tuned for some more. Now, I already did my brows, so I wouldn't bother go back in. I will probably go back in my brows after I'm done shaping my brow area with the concealer. So. Since I'm not really looking forward to doing the cut crease, I'm just going to lightly apply the concealer. I'm going to use my finger to do that. Make sure that everything is well blended. I'm going to go back in that same yellow color right here, and I'm just going to tap that color into that green that I just applied, just so that everything looks well blended in and you don't see the line. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm going to wipe my face up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I wiped my face, I wiped out the fallout. So far, so good with this palette. The pigments are so much there for a palette that has mostly mattes in it. I'm definitely not disappointed with the way these colors turned out. The yellow does not look patchy. I wouldn't say that the colors don't look chalky. When I applied them on, they didn't look that much chalky. I mean, you do have you have some fallout in the palette when you're doing it, but it's not very bad. But so far so good with this palette. Was it worth my $7 so far? Yes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply Next up, I'm going to go ahead and apply the color, this color right here, right underneath my brow bone area. So I'm going to go in that really cute bronze color, and I'm just going to apply it in my brow bone area. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply some foundation. But before I apply my foundation, I'm going to apply some primer. For primer, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Full Focus Face Primer. Okay, for foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in Warm Sun, which is the number 334. This is what I'm going to use for foundation. Contour today, I'm going to be using the E.L.F Pro Concealer in the color Dark Cocoa. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to use it to contour. I want a really light contour. I'm going to go ahead and highlight, and to highlight today I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C12. Okay, so next off, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. To set my face today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color 30, Medium Deep, and the color Deep, which is 35. I'm going to go ahead and use that very same sponge to do that. I'm going to use Rosewood in the Kleancolor Chic blush, and this is the color Rosewood. This is what I'm going to go ahead and use on my cheeks. I picked up the Kleancolor blush from shopmissa.com. It only cost me $1. Today I'm going to go ahead and use the Makeup Revolution Treacle Bake Bronzer in the color Hot Summer of Love. This is what it looks like, and this is what I'm going to use on my for highlighter today. And I'm just going to go in all three of these colors. It's a little powdery, so you're gonna have to be mindful of that whenever you're using it. So far, I'm really loving this highlight. The pigment is very much there. I really love the color blend in there. Okay, and as you can see, it's definitely popping. Only thing is that it could be very powdery when you're applying it, so please, whenever you're applying it, just be mindful that you're going to see powder going all over the place. Okay, for mascara, I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. I bought this from Ulta Beauty. Okay, for lips today, I'm going to go ahead and use the Milani Amor Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the color Making Me Matte. Okay, Making Me Matte is the name of this lip color, and it is number 11. Okay, so this is how the lips are looking. I'm really liking the way this look turned out. Now I'm going to put some hair. Okay guys, so this is my look with the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Division. This is my look on just using this palette. I only use this palette for this look. In addition to that, I also use Store brand makeup. This palette has a lot to offer, so if you could get your hands on this, definitely I would suggest that you get it because it's only $7 and you get so many looks out of this palette. This palette has 15 colors in it. Part of the 15 colors, you have 3 metallic colors. You have these 2 colors, and you also have this color here, which is also metallic. So 12 of the colors in this palette is going to be matte, and 3 of the colors of this palette is going to be metallic. And like I said, you could get so many looks out of this color. I used one of the matte yellows to do this look, and the yellow is popping, honey. Definitely it's popping. The pigmentation is there. So definitely I think it's worth the $7 and you will not regret it. A really huge plus for this palette is that it comes with a black color, and let me tell you, the black color in this palette did not come to play, honey. The black in this palette is super pigmented, okay? Pigmented. Alright, so definitely I'll tell you to pick this up. This item is definitely Sophy approved. Will I buy it again? Yes, I'll buy it again, probably in a different color, probably in the violet. Who said you can't stay on a budget? Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for looking at my video. Thank you for clicking my video. And if you'd like to join the Sophia Squad, please don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button and that bell. Okay, honey? So thank you so much for your support. Thank you for joining me. And I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.